Runnr just launched and it's only the third social trading app in the App Store, and it's got some cool features. You can actually get paid for the calls that you make when people follow in those trades, and it's got some big heavyweights behind it. Pogo, famous for his Ansem and Cate trades, has been backing this for months, and they've got some cool trading incentives that are happening right now. So here's everything that you need to know. Now look, down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the different sections that you want to help you navigate the video easier. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto or Web3 space. So let me show you the whole thing. First thing you're gonna need to do is download it from the App Store. Now, when you open the app, you can put in a referral code. Like I said, if you use the one down below, it does help out, but don't feel like you need to. You've got all of the intro, but here we are. First thing you're gonna wanna do is deposit some cash. Deposit in the top right. Now you can use crypto, you can use Apple Pay. That's what most people use, or you can use a debit card. I'm gonna use crypto just because I'm a crypto native, but you can use Apple Pay if that suits you. And there you go, that quick, I am funded. On the bottom left, you can see we're on the home screen. Now you've got the trending coins, new coins, graduating and graduated. Graduating, really risky. Graduated, not as risky. And then trending, not necessarily safe, but still decent. You then got all of the filters that you want. So you've got all of the different launch pads that you'd like to search for, but you've also got keywords, which is nice. So if you're looking for a specific coin or a specific name, so someone's dropped a tweet, there's a different meme coming up, put in the keywords, go through that, and then you can filter by token age, market cap, volume, all of that stuff. And then you've got this is Pro. This means I can quick buy any tokens that come up really quick. Next up is search. Now you can search for all different tokens, different traders. So we'll type in Poor Goat. There we go. And we'll actually give him a follow. Now he's got so many followers on FOMO, so many followers on X. He's got 900 here. So you can see just how early we are. Now, next up is the running shoe icon. This is the social feed. So this is what people are calling out right now. So you can see Trenchy has said that he's bought in here and then he's sold. And then down here, you can see Flats. He is talking about Cate. You can see the profit, what he's bought in, what he's holding, all of this. The idea here is you can see what people are buying, why they're buying their thesis. And if you like their thesis and you like the coin, you can hit run it and go straight to the coin to then make some buys. Then down here, you've got Leaderboard, Poor Goat up here all time, 257K, All Magic, 67K, 25K, 14.7. You can see all of the traders that are here. You can see super early with all of the bad boys here. Over the last 24 hours, All Magic absolutely cooking. Let's jump in and check out his portfolio. Tiny, going to broadcast, go all the way down. You can see he bought Tiny 94 days ago, and he's sitting up 4,350% right now. And then lastly, you've got the wallet. This is your cash balance, your closed trades, open trades, and all of that good stuff. And you can also edit your profile if you want. Now, a little bit of housekeeping. If you actually go to the settings menu, what you can do is you can export your private key. This is very smart to export your private key and then import it into something like Phantom. So if you do get locked out of the app or anything like that, you've still got access to your funds. This is just good operational security. It's safe. It's something that I do with every single trading bot that I use. Now that we're in settings, you can actually go through and activate push notifications, and then you can also link your social accounts as well. As you can see here on Poor Goat's profile, you can see he's connected his X account, which takes you through to his X account. You can see him right here. He follows me. Thanks, big dog. Now, real quick note, if you put in Solana, you will need to change trading currency to Solana. If you put in USDC, change it to USDC. Now, how do you buy, sell, broadcast, all of that good stuff? What we'll do is we'll head home and we'll have a look for a token. So let's go to Goopy, let's make a buy. 0.1 Sol. Buy went through, simple as that. Now I can broadcast my trade and why I moved into it. Goopy stays green, broadcast that. Then if I head back to the wallet, you can see my position. Holding Goopy. There we go. Now heading back to the center one, you can see that my call has been there. Someone could see it, someone can upvote it, downvote it, add a comment, or run it, and I could get a share of their trading fees when they actually trade the coin if it goes up or down, which is a very cool feature. If you are calling coins early, this is a good way for people to kind of be rewarded for calling coins early and having a bunch of people around them. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close out this position right now, 100%, sell. And then the coin that we're gonna buy into right now is Cate. Now this is a great segue. 10% of all of the revenue that Runnr makes for the first month is going into buying up the Cate coin and then airdropping it to the most active traders within the community. The tie here is that Poor Goat, famous for the Anthem trade, but also famous for the Cate trade. This is that tie in there. So Runnr is supporting the Cate community by buying up the token and airdropping it to some of the top traders on the app within that month. Now look, I don't want to hype it up. All the details are on their X, so you can kind of check out all the terms, conditions, all of that kind of stuff there. So yeah, overall, a simple, clean interface that's easy to use. So where do I think Runnr sits? I think Runnr sits between FOMO and Pump Fun. FOMO has a nice, clean, slower UI UX, but very user-friendly for normies. Pump Fun is very much degenerate. It's got a lot of attention, like there's a lot of things happening on the screen at once, so you kind of your dopamine is getting fried all the time when you're using it. And I think this sits right in the middle. I think the fact that you can get paid for putting out some good calls, which is good, but I also think the fact that we've got some big heavyweights behind it, there might be some alpha to be had on this platform. And then also anyone that is a first mover on a platform usually does reap rewards when it comes to the features, the trading incentives, referrals, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you want to give it a go, down there, use the referral link. It helps out the channel. If you don't want to use it, totally fine. You can go through to their Twitter account, their X account, all of that, and kind of get through that way. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this breakdown, this tutorial, all of that good stuff. If you did, drop some love. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.